ನಂಗೆ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? Yeah.
Who is recording now?
Yes. Adapt chin mudra. Close your eyes completely. Inhale, exhale normally. Do it 10 times. All of you, back straight. Normal inhale and exhale. Do it 10 times. Normal breathe. One inhalation, one exhalation. Don't take middle breath. You can feel your body. Be focused on your mind. Sthira Sukham Asanam. When exhalation, you can observe your lower back and belly fat. Feel the breath. Yes. Slowly come to normal breathe. Rub your palms. Touch on your eyes. Yes. Once again, all of you, good morning. Shubhodaya. Yes. Swagata. Okay. Today's session with starting Ardha Kati Chakrasana in loosening. Okay. I hope last week I gave 2 homework session. One is practice of asana, Bhujanga asana. All are done. Practice. Who done? Thumbs up. Who did not practice? Anyone else? Did you practice Bhujanga asana? Anyone? In Saturday, Sunday? Anyone? Voluntary, you can talk. No one else. No one else practice Bhujangasana practice. Okay. One more thing. I asked you second day of the breathing technique. Okay. After the session, you have to answer it. Okay. 2 homework I did. Okay. First today, first asana is Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Kati means waist. Okay, I will show you. Okay, little bit leg wide. Inhale, exhale. Right hand up. Exhale on your left side. Now inhale, exhale. Both knee should be tightened. Again, inhale, come up. Exhale, hand release. And do it the left side also. Each hand 10 times normal breath. Elbow straight. When stretch your hand, elbow should be straight. Stretch well. Then you can get more stretch on your right side. Yes. If comfortable, look at your palm. Otherwise, look forward. First right hand. 10 breaths. Be there only. 1 inhale, 1 exhale. 2 inhale, 2 exhale. 3 inhale, 3 exhale. 4 inhale, 4 exhale. 5 inhale, 5 exhale. 6 inhale, 6 exhale. 7 inhale, 7 exhale. 8 inhale, 8 exhale. 9 inhale, 9 exhale. 10 inhale, 10 exhale. Now slowly come back. Right hand relax. And do it left hand. So inhale, left hand up. Exhale, bend on your right side. Yes. Do it same 10 times. Normal breathe. Elbow straight. Sanjay ji, elbow straight. Yaru, somebody is talking. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, slowly come up. Yes. Sanjay sir, you can talk a little bit. Your hand is not straight. Any pain is there? Hello? Sanjay sir, over to Sanjay sir. Yes.
No pain.
Like no pain.
No pain.
Then stretch your hand. Little bit elbow bend, no, your hand. Stretch more. No pain, otherwise you have to do stretch more. Elbow. Now very nice. Okay, thank you. Yes. Next, go forward to hand in and out breathing. Okay, all of you. Today's breathing technique is hand in and out breathing. I will show you sitting pose first, afterwards standing pose. Okay, join your both fingers. You can see all of you sit down. Okay, you can see all of you sit down. Otherwise stand. No, you are comfortable. Okay, join your both fingers. Okay, first chest level. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale, come up. And forehead level. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale, down. Top of the head. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale, down. Now I will show you standing pose. Same, you have to follow it. Leg apart. First chest level. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale, come up. Okay. One more time I will show you. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale, come up. Chest level. Forehead level. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale. Now inhale, hand stretch upward. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale. Okay. Each level you have to do 10 times. All of you. Okay. First chest level 10 times. Forehead level and top of the head. All of you stand up. Yes. All of you stand up. Any doubts you can ask now only. Anyone doubt? Otherwise, be continue. Close your eyes, all of you. First chest level. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Chest level only. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chest level only. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, relax your hand. You can feel your breath. Same one you have to do forehead level. I will not count inhale, exhale. Do it yourself, second one. Then third one I will count. Okay? Forehead level. Forehead here. Your hand should be come to the forehead level. Inhale, exhale, same one. You have to practice yourself. You can observe your breathing. You can observe your body. Do it, all of you. I think so. Pedna is today absent. Good. Saumya and Pravalika is good. Prabhat sir is good. Everyone is doing very well. Now second week is coming now. All are doing very nice. Forehead level. After forehead level completed, relax your body. Then go forward to top of the head. Okay. Inhale, hand stretch. Your elbow should be straight. Exhale, come up. Do it 10 times. What happens, sir? Yeah, do it. Correct. I can see properly. Yes. Correct. If you possible, your both hands should be backside. Okay. Touch well. Touch well. Do it 10 times. If not possible, at least 5 times. Otherwise, 10 times compulsory. Yes. After 3 levels completion, relax your hand, relax your body and close your eyes. Normal breathe 5 times. You can feel the breath. This is hand stretch breathing, 3 levels. Chest, forehead and top of the head. 3 levels of breathing technique. Very easy and very effective. Yes, slowly come back to normal breathe. Today I will show you, all of you know, if you know, you can show me. Okay, Vrikshasana, tree pose. Anyone knows the tree pose? Rajat sir is doing very nice. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Anyone else? You know, Surajit? I think so. Your daughter is doing tree pose. You can show me, you know, you can show me. Otherwise, no problem. Anyone knows tree pose? You can show me. Anyone knows? Otherwise, I will teach you. Yes, Pravalika is done. Yes. Okay, no problem. Okay, I will show you how to do proper way of Vrikshasana. Oh, very nice, not bad. Good. Thank you. Okay. Vrikshasana is standing pose. Okay. What are the benefit? Afterwards, I will explain you detailedly. First, you have to do very easy pose. Okay. I will show you. First, stand erect. Which leg you are comfortable, you can do first. Okay. Roll the shoulder, tighten your kneecap. Step by step, you have to do. Okay. If not possible, you can hold your ankle and hold your waist. Tighten the kneecap. Look forward. How much you possible. First time. Yes. Do it three times each leg. Each leg three times. Okay. Same hand you can hold. Same hand. You are folding right now. Right hand should be hold. Yes. Hold your both hand if comfortable on the waist. Waist. Yes. I know, sir, you are doing because all are not possible. That's what. Any doubts, you can ask me, sir.
No, I could not see because of my internet connectivity issue. Can you show it once again?
Yeah, definitely. Now, okay?
Yes, okay.
First step is you have to do like this only. You have to balance your leg. Okay? On the waist, you have to hold your both hands. First step. If you done right leg, after relax your right leg, then go forward to left leg. Change your leg. Step by step, you can do. Yes, you have to balance. If not possible, anyone else take a wall support. Your one hand should be wall, one hand should be waist. Okay, if anyone does not get balance, okay, I will show you how to do wall support. How to do wall support. See, one hand should be wall, one hand should be leg. Okay, wall, press the wall, one hand should be here. Yes. Both leg over, relax your leg. Okay. Now, second pose, same one. You have to lift your leg a little bit up. Okay, I will show you. Okay, balance your leg. If no problem, hold your leg. Yes. Yes. You can take a wall support. If anyone comfortable, not comfortable. Yes. No, hands no. Only leg first balance. Next class, I will show you how to do proper way of Vrikshasana. First day, you have to balance your leg completely. Okay? Relax. Relax your both leg. Yes. Close your eyes. Focus on your mind. Yes. Completely close your eyes. What are the mistake you done? You have to find out. Hand relief, and close your eyes. Yes. Slowly come back. Yes. Next asana, Uttanasana. Okay. Last class I teach 2 times. Half Uttanasana. Today I will show you completely Uttanasana. How much you possible you can try it. Okay. No force here. Okay. Standing force only. Okay. Okay, leg apart. Inhale, exhale. First, you have to do half Uttanasana. Here you are comfortable. Inhale, exhale. Put a cup shape. Look forward. Tighten your both knee. And inhale, come up again, half Uttanasana. And slowly come back. Yes. You can do all of you side force. I can correct easy. Side force. First half Uttanasana. Tighten your kneecap. Must and should, all of you. Now bend forward. Don't bend your knee. If not possible, you be there. Half Uttanasana only. Both knee should be tightened. Don't bend your knee. Especially kids. Not possible, half Uttanasana only. Yeah. Jain sir, any difficult?
Yeah, difficult to touch the ground.
No problem. You have to do. Today you came first class?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I find out your face. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to do a half Uttanasana. Manikanta sir done, no? Half Uttanasana. That's what. This much only you have to do. Both hands should be face to face. Like that. Yes. All of you done full Uttanasana. Put a cup shape. Okay, slowly come back. Relax. Close your eyes. One more time, I will repeat it. Same one. You can observe what are the difference of half Uttanasana and cup shape Uttanasana. Yes. One more time. Inhale, exhale, stretch your hand. Go forward to half Uttanasana. Your both hands should be face to face, like that. Not like that. This, Now you are comfortable in half Uttanasana. Go forward to bend forward, put a cup shape, look forward. Now tighten your both knee. No force anyone. This is good for lower back pain because of all are in IT field. Using laptop or desktop, back pain is coming. No, this will reduce your lower back pain. Yeah. Now tighten your kneecap. If you're done. Okay. Again, inhale, come up. Come to half Uttanasana. Then come to Tadasana. Okay. Relax your hand. Come to Tadasana. Relax your hand. Yes. Close your eyes. Sit properly. 2 minutes. Relax. Yes. Yes. First, today, who are all came, new members, you can talk. Jain sir, you have
Yes.
to talk. How was the class today's session?
It was good, ma'am.
It was very difficult to know half Uttanasana and very difficult.
Yes, the last one was difficult.
Okay, no
Last asana
problem.
was
Anyone today came first class, have to talk. Otherwise, I will go forward another asana. Okay. One more thing you have to do. Nivedita. Over to Nivedita. You can talk. It was difficult to Rukshasana and Uttanasana.
No. It is
Okay, fine. Anyone else? You have to talk yourself. Any doubt?
So
Yes.
I have a doubt. This is Narayanan. So Vrikshasana.
You have to open your video, sir. Narayan, sir.
Yeah, I just came today. I was not ready for video. Maybe from tomorrow onwards, I'll switch on the video.
Today, first class, you came?
Yeah, first class in Huawei, yes.
Thank you.
So my question is, Vrikshasana, doing it 3 times for 20 seconds each versus doing it 1 time for 60 seconds, which one would be better in terms of health?
Good question, sir. Right now, this is basic asana. No, I am doing only one minute starting because all are not possible to do 20 seconds or like that. Now, I'm teaching only starting. Okay, starting from 1 minute to 2 minutes like that. Okay.
No. My question is doing it 1 minute at one shot versus doing it 20 seconds for 3 times. Which one
If
is?
you are flexible, you can do. Okay. Otherwise, I teach only starting from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That's what improving more. Okay. Okay. Got it, sir?
Yeah, thank you. You can call me Narayan. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Narayanji. I used to call all of you G because give respect and take respect is mandatory. That's all. Don't mind. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes. Or any difficult Vikram Rukshasana? Vikramji?
No,
Very
the
difficult
only thing is
Rukshasana?
how long I could hold the breath. I could get in a breath.
That's what you are a basic learning, no? Just 1 minute starting from. Okay.
So I could not balance for a long time.
You can take wall support. You can take wall support. Okay. Yes. Anyone? Yes. 1 second. I will ask Soumya. Over to Soumya.
Yes,
Soumya,
Ashwini.
yeah. Any difficult, Soumya?
No. I'm not finding anything difficult. It's fine for me.
Oh, yeah. Rajat sir. Rajat Srinivas sir ji.
No problem, ma'am.
It was good. Actually, thank you. You did very well, actually. Uttanasana. I saw everyone. You already practiced before yoga?
A little bit when I was small, young, we had practiced.
Okay, no problem. No issue. Everyone or all are done very well. Yes, so thank you. And Surajit sir. Yes, over to Surajit sir. Last one. Yes, you can talk. Your daughter is doing very nice. I have to practice every day.
Yeah, no, I'm feeling comfortable, no problem, because
No
it is
problem.
1 week over for me. So
Okay, no problem. Next asana, I can teach butterfly pose first. You have to do butterfly Baddha Konasana. Okay, I will show you. Already teach. Yes, leg forward and hold your leg towards your body. Okay, all of you do. First, flip your thighs completely. Okay, be there only. You have to do flip at least 21 times. Afterward 21 times, back correct. Focus on your mind and be there only. And close your eyes. Yeah, 21 times you have to flip your thighs. Back straight, everyone. Everyone, you have to do flip. Thighs in and out, up and down, up and down. You have to do. Everyone. You have to do yoga on the mat or blanket. Don't do on the ground. It's mandatory only. If does not have yoga mat, you have to do on the like a blanket, something, cotton blanket. Yes. Slowly come back. Okay. Relax your leg. Huh. Next asana is very important. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay. One of my favorite asana also. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Forward bending. Okay. Force. I will show you. Okay. First, sit on your Vajrasana pose, hand forward, finger split, and inhale, exhale, up, and your heel should be up. Okay, inhale, exhale, stretch your lower spine, how much you are flexible. Okay, no force here, and head should be down, and tighten your kneecap, press your heel. One more time, lift your heel up, inhale, exhale, bend forward. Okay, slowly come back to child pose. Yes. Yes. Do it yourself, all of you. Lift your heel up and stretch your lower spine, head down. And stretch your lower spine, tighten your kneecap, and slowly come back. Relax in child pose. Nivedita, come back to child pose. All of you come back to child pose. Child pose means you have to see, yeah, Rajat sir video, yeah, Jain sir ji, you have to see Rajat Srinivas, ha. Yes, slowly come back. In this asana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, whom did you get pain and any difficult? Those people only you have to talk. Otherwise, no problem. In this asana, whom did you get more difficult? Those people only you have to talk. Otherwise, I will go forward to another asana. First, I will explain you Rukshasana benefit, okay? Rukshasana means tree pose. It will get more benefit for concentration, especially kids. Kids for very good asana in tree pose, okay? You also, okay? Another one is today's asana is Adho Mukha Svanasana, okay? Forward bending pose. It was good for bone will strong. Okay, are you listen my voice? Audible? Okay.
Yes, audible.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Then your body weight loss will be more. Okay, all of you know weight loss is very important. All of you know. This asana is good for body flexibility. Okay. One more time, all of you do Adho Mukha Svanasana. Yes. Repeat. Same. Manikanta sir, if possible, you can do. Otherwise, keep. Everyone should be practice compulsory. It was weight bearing exercise also. And body strengthening will be more. This Adho Mukha Svanasana. Your hand and leg distance is at least maximum 4 inches gap. Okay. Rajat sir, you did right. Your hand and leg will be, width is very less. Okay. Slowly come back. Okay, slowly come back, all of you. You have to, one more time, you have to watch my asana. Then you can get more easy. See, sit on Vajrasana. First, you have to do like that. 1 palm length, 2 palm length. Okay, your hand and leg should be a minimum 3.5 feet gap. See, this and this should be 3 to 4 inches gap, and then lift your heel up and stretch well. Okay. See, you have to stretch your lower spine how much possible. After this, you have to do child pose. One more time. Have to. Good, sir. Prabhat, sir. Press your heel, Pravalika. Press your heel on the ground. If not possible, your leg should be forward and press your heel on the ground. Yes. Yes. Slowly come back. Sit on, all of you, Vajrasana. Vajrasana. Yes. You can take, relax and come back to Vajrasana. Today is Vajrasana stretching. Okay, 3 levels. I will show you Vajrasana cycling. Yes. Sit down your Vajrasana. Okay. Both hands up. First, bend forward. Okay. Again, come back. One more time. Stretch your hand. Twist on your right side. Okay. Left hand move, stretch. Again, come back. One more time. Stretch your hand. Twist your left side. Right hand move, stretch. Okay, come back. Front. Yes. And relax. Yes, start. Stretch forward. Hand stretch forward. Prabhat sir. Yeah, bend forward. Hand stretch more. All of you. You are doing wrong, sir. Prabhat, sir. Hand stretch more. Yes, head down, head down. Yes. You can observe sides. When you are doing right side and left side, you can observe your body side of the body. Okay, you can feel it. First front, right side, left side, again front. When you are doing right side, left hand more stretch. When you are doing left side, right hand more stretch. And front, you have to stretch both sides also. Both hands stretch. You can feel the stretch. Dog also doing yoga, very nice. Yes. If you are done, slowly come back. Okay. Next asana is Shalabhasana. Okay. 10 times you have to do. I will show you. Yes. Bend forward and stretch more. Okay. Inhale, legs up. How much is possible? Only legs up. Down. One more time. Leg up. Down. Afterwards, both hands up. Okay. Yes. You have to do on the tummy. Lie down. I will show you hand also. Okay. First join your both legs. Both hands up. Down. First you have to do legs only. Down. Afterwards, both hands. Yes. Do it. First leg. Correct. Only leg first. Afterwards, hand. Relax. If you are comfortable, all of you, both hands and both legs lift. Okay. Yes. Inhale up. Be there only. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Sanjay sir, you have to do. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one, I will count 10. Okay. Inhale, both hands up and legs up. 1, be there only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Yes. Today's class is last asana, Bhujanga asana. Last week I did the homework. No, everyone not did. Why? I don't know. Anyone practice Bhujanga asana? Voluntary, you have to talk. Anyone practice Bhujanga asana?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We
Oh,
practice.
thank you. At least one person. Thank you. Why I told you Bhujangasana is very important force for meditative force. All pain, especially back pain, migraine, headache, okay, all in one. Don't take medicines, okay. Bhujangasana is very good for all problem. These are all main problem. And cough, okay, especially for kids. Bhujangasana is very important for, that's what I preferred. You have to practice at home every day. Okay, fine. You have to do, I will show you one more time. Any doubt, you can ask me openly, everyone. Okay. I hope this asana everyone practice at home. Okay, I will show you. Yes. Both hands forward. Tighten your both heels. Okay. Inhale, lift your head up. Breathe 10 times. After 10 times, relax your forehead. Again, 3 inches back your both hands. Lift your chest level. Here also you have to breathe 10 times. And relax your forehead. Again, both hand fingers split near to your chest. Inhale. Shoulder broad, neck up. Breathe properly. Squeeze your tummy. Squeeze your hip. Back. Relax your hand. And turn and come up. Okay? Yes, you have to do. Today's last force. You have to do side force. Who is this? Someone is doing straight. Okay, you have to do side. I can correct easy. Shoulder broad, Vikram. Vikramji, shoulder broad. How much possible, you can neck will be back. No force here. Manikantam is good. Yeah, Sanjay ji, nice. Divya also good. Kamakshi, your asana, I did not see. Right now, okay. Breathe properly. Very important is breathing. Each level 10 times normal breathe. Then you can stay easy. Not lift and down. Divya ji, you have to breathe 10 times. When you are lifting the head force, you have to breathe 10 times. And after 10 breaths, you have to down. If you're done, go to Shavasana, all of you. Who are done this asana, go to Shavasana. Relax your body. Shoulder broad, Shivraj ji, shoulder broad, neck up. Yes, now very nice, perfectly. When your shoulder will be broad, your posture should be almost 80% correct. After this asana done, you have to go for Shavasana, all of you. Go to Shavasana. After Shavasana completion, today I will teach new pranayama, meditation, Anuloma Viloma, first starting step. All of you go for Shavasana. Normal inhale and exhale. Don't shake your body. Completely collapse your body. Shavasana, you have to do compulsory, all of you. Don't shake your body. Then only you can get more benefit. Don't skip Shavasana. Don't shake your body. Don't lift, sir. You have to do. Go to Shavasana only. You can lie down, sir. I will explain you how to breathe. Relax your whole body, completely collapse your body on the surrender to the God. Relax your completely body, head to toe. You can observe your lower belly, in and out breathing. Now move on to chest level breathing. Inhale, exhale normally. You can observe you completely. Relax your shoulder, face, forehead. Don't join your eyebrows. Chin towards the chest. Okay, slowly come back to normal breathe. Shake your leg finger, hand finger, left leg fold and turn and come up. Okay, turn and come up. Sit on Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana. Turn and come up. Turn and come up. Don't lift like that. Up. Turn and come up. Right side turn and come up. Yes. Today's pranayama and meditation session is Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Okay, if not possible, you can sit on your sofa or chair, anything. Otherwise, be there only. Okay. After pranayama session, any doubts openly you can ask anyone. Any doubts? Okay. Same. Add chin mudra, thumb finger and index finger. Okay. After right hand, okay, thumb finger after two finger close. Okay. Okay, you have to got it. Nasika mudra. Okay, this is Left hand should be chin mudra, thumb finger, index finger on the thighs. Okay. Right hand should be nasika mudra. Nasika means mugu. In nasika in Sanskrit word. Okay. I will show you only single hand, right hand only. Left hand should be chin mudra on the thighs. Yes. You have to do. Okay, all of you. First you have to see, then you have to do. Okay. First, gently press on your right nostril. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the left. Do it 10 times. Okay. Do it. All of you. Be focused on your mind. Nasika mudra only. Do it 10 times breathing. Be focused on your mind. Very slowly inhale, very slowly exhale. Don't take middle breath. If not possible, you can hold your hand. Any hand pain is there. Very slowly inhalation, very slowly exhalation. After 10 breaths, don't open your eyes. Both hands should be chin mudra. Close your eyes. All of you done? Both hands should be chin mudra. Otherwise, be continue and relax. Okay, then fine. Again, nasika mudra. Thumb finger after two finger close. Now, your left nostril will be gently closed. Inhale to the right nostril. Exhale to the right nostril. Okay? Do it 10 times. No, not like that. Sir, gently press on your left nostril. Inhale to the right, exhale to the right. Not like that. You have to use right hand only, not left hand. आपकी क्या है हिंदी में पता नहीं, दाएं हाथ बोलती. Right hand, Vikram, you done left hand. No, that's what I said. You have to every time use right hand only, every breathing. If you done, if you want 2 times, you can practice. Otherwise, be there only. Okay, you done. Relax your hand, both hands. Okay. In this pose, in this pranayama, you can do Vajrasana, Padmasana, or Sukhasana. Anything you are comfortable. Which pose you are comfortable, you can sit. Yes. Slowly come back to normal breathing. Yes. Okay. First, you have to do prayer. Afterwards, you can question and answer part. Yes. Namaskara mudra. Namaskara mudra also you can do perfectly. Near to your chest, little bit down. Okay. Namaskara mudra. Back straight. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Yes. Surrender to the God and Parameshwara Swarupagalada Tammanella Smarisu. Yes. Have a good day to all of you. Yes. Over to you. Anyone doubt and tell me the class today's session any. Openly you have to talk yourself. All of you talk. At least 5 members. Yes. Yeah, Kamakshi. Over to Kamakshi ji. Today.
Hello.
How is the class today?
Yeah, it's good. Actually, I'm also habitating to this yoga. Last week I was attended on, and today again. Yeah, I can see myself. I can improve. I'm improving. So, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Yes, over to Divya ji. You have to talk.
Yeah, today was very good session. I can feel a stretch in every muscle in my body today, and I feel refreshed also.
Which asana did you like today's session?
I feel a bending asana very good today.
Which asana? I told you name.
I don't remember the name, but you told it was the
Adho
favorite
Mukha
asana of yourself also.
That was Adho Mukha Svanasana.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Anyone else you have to talk
The breathing
yourself?
exercise were good today. Normally, when we breathe, it's not pattern is changing. Earlier, it was breathe in, out, breathe in. So now at different positions, also we are able to maintain breathe in and breathe out.
You got it now?
Yeah, that 1 week, that improvement I can see.
That's what. Yeah. Very nice. Anyone else you have to talk yourself? Everyone should be talk. Yeah. Prabhat sir, over to Prabhat sir ji.
In that you have to join tomorrow only on Wednesday.
Tell me.
For all the day too, it is on Wednesdays. Children.
Okay, fine. No problem.
I am reminding you only on Wednesday. Other days you should join as a first
Okay. Newcomer, you have to talk today, sir. You have to talk, sir. Hello.
Yeah, hello, ma'am. It was a good session, ma'am. Some asanas were difficult to do, but I think with more practice, I think I will learn.
Definitely, sir. You have to practice. You have to come regularly.
You know, sir. Today was the first day, and I will try to be regular.
Any difficult today's session?
No difficulty as such.
Fine, fine. Thank you. Okay. Anyone to talk? Anyone? Otherwise, over to Soumya. Soumya?
I think it was good, no? A lot of stretch. I think even I can feel all my muscles are relaxing. Even I took a break after vaccination, and after 2 days doing this.
Yeah, that's what you have to told. What are the difficulties you did? Then you have to tell everyone. Motivation will coming. Okay.
I think Ashwini was in touch with me since she knew that I was vaccinated and all that. I had a fever and a little bit of body pain. I think a lot of hydration was required for me. So I took a lot of fluids, fruits, and things like that, which helped me recover in a day itself. So I think if anybody is going for vaccination, hydration is number one. Take lots of fluids. You can add tender coconut, muskmelon, watermelon, any kind of fruit. Have it wholesome. That will give you a lot of hydration, and I think you will recover fast. So
one more thing, sleeping part.
Yeah, sleeping part also. Ashwini had given me a few tips where I can keep my pillow next to my right side and take my left leg and place it on the pillow towards the right end and turn towards your right and sleep. I think that will help you with better relaxation, and your body aches will come down. I think it was really helpful, Ashwini. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
If anybody has any concerns like that, I will pin her contact number on the group. You can directly contact her, and I think she'll be able to help you in case if you need some tip or anything like that.
Yeah. One more thing, you sent me first today, so many problems are there now. Migraines, headache, something. I saw all the problems. If anyone doubts anything, ask. You can call me directly or message me directly. If anyone needs yoga therapy, you can ask directly. Okay. Yes. Over to Soumya. Okay.
Yeah. I think we all enjoyed today. It was little good, more of stretch. I think in the coming days we'll all be more flexible. I can see people are improving, and lots of improvement in just past 1 week. I think in the next 2-3 weeks, I think everybody will be super comfortable to do all the asanas. Regular practice is something that will keep you flexible. So please join every day. I think Ashwini is also giving her time, and join, and let us all stay happy, and let's stay fit.
Yeah, you can tell your friends also. You can motivate your friends. They can join us for the new classes. And one more thing, 21st, all of you know, 21st June is very special day, Yoga Day, International Yoga Day. So don't miss the class. Very special that day. Okay. Okay. Over to Soumya. Yes.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
Thank you all. It was great. So let's all get connected tomorrow also. Let's exercise together. Let's stay fit and let's stay healthy. Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day. I know it's a Monday and everybody is happy to see lots of smiling faces. Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.